Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Realme 12X and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then let's enter the Play Store. However, I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi. So here you will be able to follow all of my steps. If you've got your Google account added to the device, you can check our tutorial which will explain how to do it, or you can do it right here. So let's then tap on this circle, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here we have to tap on Manage. And now tap on Updates Available. And as you can see here, you will have all available updates. In my case, I've got only 4. Of course, if you want to, you can mark all of the apps and download all of them. Update all of them, or simply choose specific ones, for example, those, in my case, and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. Right now, your device will download the updates, and after that, they will be successfully installed and the apps will be automatically updated, so you do not have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.